Wondering why your home isn't selling? You're not alone. There are some common reasons most homeowners don't realize. If your home has been on the market longer than expected in Sacramento, it could feel discouraging and confusing, especially when you want or need to sell fast. Often, the issue isn't just one thing. It's a mixture of things like pricing, condition, showings, and buyer demand. In a traditional sale, homes that need repairs or updates typically sit on the market longer because most buyers just aren't willing to take on the work. But there's another option: selling your home for cash in Sacramento. With a cash sale, you don't have to worry about pricing it perfectly for the MLS, dealing with repair requests after inspections, or buyer financing. Here's how it works. You reach out to us with some basic property information like address and property condition, and we'll evaluate your home. We'll present you with a fair cash offer with no obligation. If you move forward, you'll choose the closing date and we'll take care of all the paperwork and the closing costs. Stop asking, why isn't my home selling? And explore your fast, stress-free cash options in Sacramento. Visit bridgehavenhomes.com.